Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the U-joint on this Tacoma. While I was doing the carrier bearing, you can see the seal that should be sealing is not sealing. I'm trying to show you. It's wobbly. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. Jack up the back of the truck. Got it on jack stands. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the drive shaft bolts, which are 14mm. Just for the camera, I'm going to go ahead and put it neutral and rotate the drive shaft. It's not necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and mark it. Now we got the carrier bearing bolts. Go ahead and put something under it so it doesn't leak everywhere. 14mm. Now you go ahead and do that for all four. I was halfway done doing this one, then I realized I didn't press the record button. It just needs to be pulled out the other half. A ball joint C-clamp, and what we're going to do is press it out. So what I'm doing now, you're going to be doing on both sides. That's it. And this last one is the one that was dry. You can see, and let me clean it off real quick. You can see once there's no more grease, so just chews it up. Taking them off, I use an impact gun, but putting them on, I'm going to go by hand because I don't want to risk the needle bearings falling. Now, we'll put the bottom cap in. Now we got it started. I'm gonna go ahead and install the U-joint. Alright, with the snap ring in, we can go ahead and install the drive shaft. We're going to leave that hanging loose while we install the back of the drive shaft. Once it's bolted up and it sits exactly where it needs to, then we'll go ahead and torque it down. Torque I found online was 65 foot-pounds. Torque online I found was 27 foot-pounds for these. And that's how you replace a U-joint on these Tacomas. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.